So let us jump straight into the video right now. So I actually spot a particular cryptocurrency arbitrage right here. Take a look at it right here. This particular token right now showing on the screen right here. It is sold for this particular amount right here. Okay, before I literally move forward and explain what you just have to do or how to trade this particular spot trading right here, let me explain to you and let you understand this, that yes, cryptocurrency arbitrage is where you found a particular cryptocurrency price at a low price in a specific cryptocurrency exchanger, and then in another cryptocurrency exchanger is selling at a higher price. So that is what exact thing cryptocurrency arbitrage means. Right now in this particular video, I literally earn this particular amount of USDT. Although it's a little amount of USDT right here, it is little, but take a look at this my account right here on my Trust Wallet. I literally get to amounts of this within some few days right here. I think it's like 1 week to 2 weeks now. I'll be trading on this particular cryptocurrency pair right here. Okay, I will show you where you can sell on and where you can buy on right now, so that you guys watching me right now will navigate this particular cryptocurrency and then sell out. But before then, make sure you register on a particular cryptocurrency exchanger. Make sure you verify them. Just I am also verifying all the particular cryptocurrency exchanger. Let me say most of them, but not all. As you can see right here, I have a lot of cryptocurrency exchanger right here. So firstly, just go straight to this particular cryptocurrency exchanger where it says Bybit. Okay, so this is specific cryptocurrency, which is the token right here. But before then, make sure you get your account verified. I told you earlier. Now, just to make sure you go straight to trade, go ahead and search for the particular cryptocurrency right here, which is ORDI. Then make sure you purchase the particular cryptocurrency right here. You can buy it with any particular amount right here. So let's say you'll be using 100 USDT for this, or probably people that have enough money, let me say 500 USDT, you'll be getting this right here. Okay, so you'll be getting this particular amount right here. Okay, now if you literally get this particular amount right now, go straight to asset right here. You have a specific cryptocurrency token you literally want to withdraw. You click on withdraw right here on chain. Go ahead and search for the particular cryptocurrency right here, okay, which is ORD. So right now, take a look at the particular chain. Go ahead and select the chain. Make sure you know the particular cryptocurrency chain that you are using right here. Now what you just have to do next is just for you to go straight to the other cryptocurrency exchanger, which is L Bank right here. Also make sure you verify your L Bank. So if you are in your L Bank, you just have to go ahead and search for the particular cryptocurrency. Before then, just go straight to asset and then go ahead and copy the particular cryptocurrency wallet address just by clicking on deposit. Okay, so let me say yes, cryptocurrency is volatile. Anything can literally happen at any time because the price can dump at any time. Can you take a look at this right here? The particular price have just dumped, but you just have to go ahead and wait for it for a while so that it can pop up, and then you go ahead and sell the particular cryptocurrency right here in this particular place right here so that you can actually make profit from this. So every particular step to make money on the internet have challenges. So now take a look at it with 500 USDT and this particular specific price right here, you'll be getting this particular amount as profit. Okay, it's not actually enough. That's why I literally told you earlier. There's a disclaimer. You might not try to make enough money from here, but please, you'll be getting, just be okay with whatever you literally get from cryptocurrency arbitrage, because the volume is literally going up and down every time, every here and then. So at this particular junction, you just have to know that yes, there's a big disclaimer that I'm not responsible for all your losses and your profits right here. So I'm just creating a particular tutorial here to show you what I did. Okay, so now it's just for educational purpose, not a financial advice. All right, so make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content just like this, because you just have to be notified firstly before you literally go ahead and get these updates when people have literally traded on the particular cryptocurrency and there is no market available at that time. Okay, so just go ahead and subscribe if you usually watch the video to this particular present right here. So if you are wondering how I'm getting this particular cryptocurrency that have price differences in different cryptocurrency exchanger, head over to this particular arbitrage scanner right here. So just go ahead and sign up an account and make sure you literally click on this particular place right here. Then just go ahead and go for any plan of your choice right here. Okay, so just go for any plan of your choice right now, go for it, and then you have the full opportunity to literally go ahead and spot cryptocurrency just by clicking on arbitrage products right here. Okay, so take a look at it, then click on arbitrage screener. Okay, so you see right now all the cryptocurrency arbitrage will display right here. All those one right now, they are stable coin. So if you want to change this, click on template, then go ahead and click on top 30 or top 300 coins right here. You will see right now all the particular cryptocurrency in all the particular crypto exchanger will be available. So if you want everything to be reloading or to be searching for any opportunity in every 30 seconds, you can leave it here. So every 15 seconds, you can also leave it there. So now every 10 seconds also, you can also leave it at the 10 seconds. So this way you can actually change the time duration right here. Take a look at it right now. A lot of cryptocurrency are available right here using that particular arbitrage scanner right now. So if you literally go ahead and buy any plan right there, you have the full opportunity to literally discover any cryptocurrency that have price in differences into cryptocurrency exchanger. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video right here. Bye bye for now.